Good afternoon, ma'am. My name is Dwayne Kaifer Ancelias, a student nurse from here at Notre Dame of Tacloban College, second year. So today I'll be performing the Leopold's maneuver. So the first procedure that you are going to do is you're going to measure the fundic height. Ito po, ma'am. But first, pakilala ko na sa client. So, ma'am, my name is Dwayne Kaifer Ancelias, your student nurse for today. So, maggawa po tayo ng Leopold's maneuver para alam natin kung ano yung positioning ng inyong baby sa inyong tiyan. So, ilang months na po ito, ma'am? Ilang months na po kayo buntis?
8 months po.
Sige, tapos may mga history man kayo na mga pregnancy problems dati?
Wala po.
So, measure po, mama.
Okay po.
So the fundic height is 26 centimeters. And next, you are going to identify what the positioning of the fetus inside the mother's womb. So the first is you're going to identify whether it's in a breech or cephalic position. So the first procedure is palpate the mother's abdomen like this. Yan. So malambot po, ma'am. So ito po yung buttocks ng baby. Tapos kung hard po, head po. So it means na breech po. The next maneuver is to palpate the sides of the fetus para malaman niyo po kung saan po yung back and saan po yung abdomen ng baby. So dito po, ma'am, smooth po yung upon palpation, smooth po yung texture. Tapos dito may parang hard. So ito po yung knees and hands of the baby. Tapos ito po yung likod. So dito po test kung saan yung fetal heart rate ng baby. The next is to identify whether the baby is in engaged na po siya sa pelvis or not. So, ito, ma'am. So, ganito po ang paghawak para hindi po uncomfortable sa mother. So, if it's still medyo wobbly, ma'am, or nagagalaw-galaw po konti, hindi pa po engaged yung baby. Pero kung matigas, like this po, kasi dahil 9 months pregnant na siya, or 8 months pregnant rather, matigas po. Then, mag-maneuver ka dito to verify whether nga engaged talaga siya or not. So, yun na po, ma'am. Thank you.